Thank you for your purchase of Funride drifter car. This beautiful and unique car comes with sturdy body base, low height seating and stylish steering. This beautiful car can be assembled by using these parts. You will also be needing a screwdriver, a piler and a spanner to fix it. To begin with, take the main body and insert the steering rod to main body from bottom side. Now, insert the steering rod pipe to the steering rod. In the next step, place steering to the steering rod. It's time to fix steering to the steering rod with the help of provided nut. Place the steering cap to give it a finishing touch. Now place front mud guard plate to main body from bottom side. You can lock it with the help of provided clamp and screw. As a final step, place seat to main body, lock it with the help or provided nut and bolts. Your beautiful drifter car is now ready to use. Funride, a ride of happiness.